Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Aftines. So for this year 2019 I have implemented some changes in my house. So starting with kitchen, I bought a new shelf and the organizing techniques and the arrangement which I have done I will just show you in this vlog. So let's jump into it. This top layer I'm going to put all the things kitchen appliances which I don't use on a daily basis. So these things I'm going to put it here. These are the stuff I use very rarely, so I just keep it here. So this layer I put all these kitchen appliances, and now see rest of the space later I'll be making use of it. For the time being I'm just arranging it in this manner. I'm going to put this tissue roll here, and this glass dispenser I just bought it recently. So what I do is I fill water with this and then I put some lemons. It's actually good to drink this detoxification. It's also good, you know. Okay. So I just fill this glass dispenser, and throughout the day, you know, as and when required, you just need to take it from there. See, if you want, it depends. Like if you want, you can add 2 or 3 lemons. It's your choice, you know, how many lemons you want to add. And if you want, you can add a pinch of salt, but I'm not adding salt, just pressing it. And I'm going to put this glass dispenser here. And tea, coffee, sugar canisters, I'm going to put it here. In this third track I put micro oven, then all these canisters I'll place it here. Just give me some space. So now third track is done. Now I'm going to put these. Now here I'm going to put these tiffin box. This you have seen before, right? I used this 2-tier stand system for arranging all my tiffin box. Okay, and here the organizer I bought is a very useful one. This is called pan stand.
Pan stand.
Okay, so this one I'm going to place it here. Okay. So this organizer is very useful to arrange all my pans. I can just arrange everything here, so I don't need to take an extra space for organizing these pans. It's so useful that, you know, I can even place my saucepan here. So an organizer, it is really useful. See now, I didn't take that much amount of space to organize all the pans which I have. So now this is a very useful organizing technique. So here I am going to place all the rice containers. Here I am going to place this food stuff. I'm going to organize it here. Then level I keep his snacks so that, you know, for my son it will be very easy to grab the snacks. So this level I organized it in this manner. This, baking pans and onion tray and other food stuff organizers I put it here in this manner. I keep all my Ziploc bag and foil paper and everything, which I have already showed you. I have organized using this magazine holder. So now everything is set. Actually there is an hook, so this space also I can make use of it. All these oven gloves or kitchen towels, and I made another. In fact, I couldn't hang these things, so these are like very rarely I take these utensils. So I had these shower hooks, so I just hanged it. I made use of the shower hooks, and it's my own organizing technique. And I made use of the space like this. This is the final look of the way I arranged this kitchen shelf. See, I have a lot of space left. It doesn't mean in each and every space I have to occupy things. Now I can make use of all these space, and later I can organize things. For right now, I just arranged it in this manner. I'm going to store all the spices in these glass containers, in fact glass jars. So from here on I'm going to use all these glass jars to store all the spices, and no more I'm going to use all these plastic containers, because it's not good for health actually. And not only that, it's been very long since I'm using all these plastic, so I'm going to throw all that off. I'm going to use these glass jars. So I'm going to store all these coriander powder, chili powder, everything in this glass. So finally I replaced all the plastic containers with this glass jar. So I bought a new blender, so I had to keep this. There's an extra jar which I got along with this. So this 2-tier stand, I made use of that. I kept it here in the kitchen counter. So I can keep the things here, and this cookie jar set I kept it here. And I have more space to keep things underneath this, so I can make use of the space also. So then if I want, I can keep these things. So right now I have arranged it in this manner. So that's it for my kitchen organizing vlog, and hope you all enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Ahtines, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get to know about the new notification. So be happy, stay blessed, and see you soon. Bye.